Lesbians! It's a freaking weekend, baby. About to have me some fun. Getting our butts out tonight, right? We're going to meetups, right? How many of y'all have signed up to do something with other lesbians this weekend? How many of y'all are building community this weekend? So I just want to talk really quickly to those of y'all who have gotten out there. Somebody's watching me, y'all. I'm talking to the lesbians. God. Those of y'all who told me that you went out, you tried it, whether it went good or bad, I'm so freaking proud of y'all. And here's the thing, like when I first started going, everyone that I went to didn't resonate with me right in the beginning. I didn't make a shit ton of friends. Oh, sorry. If the first one's not resonating, try again. Or don't go back to that one if it doesn't feel like you know? And if you can't find anything in your area that feels like it's resonating, can you start one? You know, I mean, y'all are some resourceful lesbians, I'm sure. Can you say, my meetup is for people who like guinea pigs? I don't know. We're resourceful lesbians, we can do this. More people walking by, hang on. I love looking like a fool out here in the streets for y'all. Talking to myself. My other tip would be, you know, if you're just wanting a hookup, obviously, you know, you can go straight to the bars, dancing, those evening meetups, and you'll do just fine. If that's not what you're looking for, and you're looking for more like community, well, you probably shouldn't go to those. You know, you probably should go to the ones during the day that aren't centered around alcohol, that are centered around activities. Like even if it's just a freaking movie. That's where I saw Love Lies Bleeding, was with the lesbians. And guess what? We all sat around and talked about it afterwards, and then you kind of get to know where people stand on things, and it's great. My other pro tip for you for these meetups is if you don't know to anybody, if this is your first time going to one, get there a little bit early. You know why? Because if you wait until the thing's in full swing, guess what? Everybody's talking to all their friends, and they probably not gonna notice you as much. So, you know, and there you are standing off in the corner thinking about your guinea pigs. So, you know, get there a few minutes early. Almost always the organizer will be there. That person will probably introduce you to everybody, which is fantastic. At least that's what happened to me. You know, I got there early and said, hey, I don't know anybody, help me out. Some of the meetups even have a little window of time right at the beginning for the newbies to come and get to know other people. So just try it, y'all, or try a Facebook group. You know, jump on there, and if they're not talking about meetups, just start the conversation. Also, check out gay bookstores, because a lot of times they have like little reading groups and stuff too. Y'all remember A League of Their Own, where John Lovett says, see, the way it works is the train leaves, not the station. On this case, guess who the train is? Y'all have a great weekend. I want to hear your stories.